Hey, I just noticed that 61 dashes, no, 62 dashes and 61 dashes are the same. And the door is the same. Now the front fender changes, but the door is the same. Yeah, the door, window's different because this is the one that I can't remember her name. But yeah, the dash is the same, so they're very similar items. Trim is different. Bubble top, duh. And so yeah, but those are very much the same. Okay. What we got here? Oh. Radiator support for what? Oh, not really. Interesting. Okay. LS stuff. More LS stuff. Interior for the foe. Okay, I know where that's at now. You ever had a problem when you got too much stuff and you can't remember where it's all at? Then you buy more because you thought you had it. And it's extra floor pan. Close this trunk up. What are these? These are, oh, extra red lines. Damn it. Too much stuff. Okay, this is the quarter panel for 63. Left hand side. Yeah. I think I needed the right hand side. Motherfucker. I better look. We'll see. Impala stuff, chrome 464, white leather tires. Yeah. Let me check this out. Hold on a second. These are, oh yeah, Be of Good Riches. These might work on my chrome rims. Yeah. Those may work on that. What's that? Oh, seat panel. Whoa, what's that? Oh shit. That's a new chrome bumper. Yeah, that's what that is. For which car, I do not know. This is what happens when you got too many projects and you start seeing them all in the same places and don't write down what you actually own. You end up owning too much stuff. Yeah, too much stuff.